God's program that we excel here. Right from our creation, He has coded it in our DNA that we are bound to be fruitful, we are bound to replenish the land, we are to subdue the land, to take dominion of our environment, to succeed. In other words, we should not wait until we are translated to glory before we take dominion. Dominion is here. Let's take that dominion here. Let's excel and let the beauty of our lives attract many more people to the God that we serve.